Introduce Phan Thiet City. Geographical location. Phan Thiet City is located in the center of the province, 1,500 kilometers southern Hanoi capital, about 200 kilometers east of Ho Chi Minh City, 175 kilometers northwest of Vũng Tàu City. The Thanh City is about 240 kilometers to the southwest along National Highway 1A. The bowl-shaped city stretches along the 57.4 kilometers long coastline from the north of Mũi Cây Gà up to Mũi Né.
Nowadays, Phan Thiet tourism has always been famous for its clear blue beaches and long stretches of sand dunes. If you are looking for a short break to a beautiful coastal city, Phan Thiet is the best choice. Let's discover what's in Phan Thiet with us.
Sea and food, bánh nghệ, this is a specially case of Nghệ An, later brought to Phan Thiet and now becomes a delicious rustic breakfast that few people know. Cakes made from rice flour are in the form of fiber that are rounded into small cake. The cake is arranged at the bottom. The top is oil and fat topping, spring roll, deep fried turmeric cake, green mango, and funny sweet fish sauce. How to eat? Pick up a piece of cake, sandwich it with a piece of cake, then dip it in fish sauce to absorb the cake. Chew slowly until you can see the fat of the cake, then pick up a piece of mango with a piece of fried cake. From the seed to the very rustic cake, the whole plate of cake is full of 10,000 Vietnam đồng only.
Takoyaki. Takoyaki is one of the famous cakes of Osaka, Japan. When introduced to Vietnam, the cake was called with another name, October cake. If you love Japan culture or are fan of Korea, you probably know about Takoyaki October cake. The cake is filled with sweet or October inside and the outside in a traditional dough that gives you a delicious meal. In for a table chatty, Takoyaki is small round cake with a broth made from wheat flour, filled with a mixture of bread, ingredient, short and October table risotto, last ginger and green onion, and also have the aroma of brothers.
Takoyaki is usually baked in an oven until it has an attractive golden brown color and is covered with a sweet and sour sauce. The meaning of the phrase takoyaki is made up of two words, taco which means October and the word yaki which means fry or grill. Takoyaki appeared in 1935 with the inspiration from a small cake filled with October and egg called akashiyaki. When it first appeared, takoyaki was only popular in the Kansai region, Osaka. This dish quick became loved by the people come here.
The bánh tráng nướng dish originating from the southern region has struck the hearts of many food enthusiasts. The main ingredient of this packed rice paper of crushed rice paper, chicken egg, rice cream, and green onion. When the rice paper is parched, adding a chicken egg should have a yellow color. A little green onion and crispy rice cream, evenly covered, it looks like a medium size pizza. Because of the simple ingredient, the price of a cake is not much, quite cheap, anyone can touch it.
Hot dogs. A hot dog is actually a sandwich with sauces, usually with mustard, ketchup, onions, and mayonnaise. Fast food in America. When imported into Vietnam, hot dogs has achieved a lot in post appearance and inside to suit the taste and is still very popular with many people, especially young people. With very basic ingredients, rich fillings, and a compact hot dog machines combined with a simple hot dog case recipe, but still creates a very unique flavor suitable for Vietnamese people, making it even more popular, especially in the cold months. Holding a hot case is nothing better than that. In Vietnam, hot dogs are transformed into a triangular shape with fillings such as sauces, cotton balls, and cheese.
Peach tea. Peach tea is a drink of summer days and is quite loved by young people in our country today. Peach tea cups often have a very cool, gentle taste, bearing the characteristics of peaches, which is very suitable for refreshment on summer days. Pour peach tea is cooked and prepared from the fresh or dried tea leaves, as well as the peel of the peach tree. In some places like Vietnam, pig tea is a harmonious combination of regular tea and processed fresh peaches. Because of their sour, sweet, and delicious taste, pig tea is also known as a medicine that is very good for both adults and children's health.